So this is 42,000 won. Yan. 34,000 won naman itong ceramic mug. So pag inopen mo yung box, nagre-reflect yung light sa plastic. So let's remove the plastic. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Diba? This is 48,000 won. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you things that I bought from Starbucks Korea. So as you all know, I've posted in my previous vlogs that my family and I were in Korea November 2024. So 3 days kami doon, and I wasn't really planning to buy any merchandise from Starbucks. But then again, I noticed and I was informed by my co-collectors that there is this release in Korea about their parang yung mga places, key cities nila sa Korea. So my family and I visited one branch in Seoul. So yung first na yon, wala yung gusto kong hanapin, which is yung Seoul, kasi yun pa lang yung napupuntahan ko. So we had to move on, we had to continue with our itinerary on that day. And yun, naisip ko na lang na okay, kung wala, okay lang, wala. Total, hindi ko naman siya talaga nakaplan, as in hindi siya top priority. And then, before we went home, my husband told me, why not check out the other branches bago kami bumalik ng hotel. So, yun. So, we checked out one branch doon na nakita na namin yung Seoul na merchandise. So, eto, papakita ko sa inyo. So, ang first one ay itong stainless steel tumbler. Yun yung kanyang color. Tapos, ito. Yan. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting preview ng kanyang box. May pamphlet. So, it says here, yung regional collection pala yung tawag dito. Yun. So, ito yung regional collection nila. So, this is yung variant na pinipili ko and na gusto ko munang i-collect ay yung Seoul. So, it says here, Annyeong, welcome to Seoul. So, yung mga I think napakita ko to sa previous video ko, sa previous vlog, Korea vlog ko ng November. So, may Busan, may Chungcheong, Gangwon, Gyeonggi, Gyeongju, Jeju, Jeolla, tsaka Seoul. Yung Gyeongju ata, yung pink na parang iniisip ko, kung wala akong makitang Seoul, I'll just go for the pink one, kahit na hindi ko pa napuntahan yung Gyeongju. Basta gusto ko lang yung color na yon. But fortunately, nakakuha naman ako ng Seoul. So, yan. Ito yung stainless steel. So, at the back pala, andito yung kanyang price. This is 42,000 won. Yan. So, ang itsura niya ay, it's like this. So, ayan guys. Di ba ang ganda-ganda niya? It's really very pretty, very classy. At saka gusto ko talaga yung stainless steel. Kasi pag stainless steel, na may maintain yung temperature ng beverage or ng drink mo. So, kung hot drink yung ilalagay mo dito, like for example, hot chocolate, hot coffee, or hot tea. So, I'm not that sure yet kasi hindi ko pa natatry yung mga stainless steel from Starbucks Korea. Pero yung mga from Starbucks Philippines, usually nagtatagal sila sa akin ng 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours pag hot beverage. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Pag in-open, so, ganyan. And then, inside, of course, the usual care card ng Starbucks merchandise or yung drinkware nila. So, pwede rin yung cold drink dito, of course. And yun, mame-maintain niya rin, lalo na kapag may ice, mame-maintain din yung temperature. So, yan. Ito yung stainless steel tumbler. And then, we move on to the next one, which is, ito naman yung ceramic mug. So, ito yung mug. So, ganyan yung itsura ng kanyang box. Tapos may logo here. Yan. Tapos pag inopen mo, and this is naman, yung kanyang price is right here. 34,001 naman itong ceramic mug. So pag inopen mo yung box, so andito rin, may pamphlet din siya, like this one. And then, ito na yung mug. So, ang ganda-ganda ng packaging ng mga merchandise ng Starbucks Korea. So, let's open it. Ayan. It's really very pretty. Ayan yung kanyang inside. Diba? Tapos, ganito yung kanyang print. Ayan. It's really very nice. Para siyang yung ube. But it's really very nice. Yung ganito kalaki, I think, ganito yung usual na, na dami ng coffee or hot chocolate na iniinom ko. Usually, pag gumagamit ng ceramic mug, tama-tama lang yung ganito. Kasi pag medyo mataas na, and ganito yung diameter, medyo nakakalula. Medyo nadadamihan na ako. So, yan. It's really very nice. Okay. And then, moving on to the last one. Ito naman yung keychain ng Seoul. Yan. So, nagre-reflect lang kasi. Nagre-reflect yung light sa plastic. So, let's remove the plastic. Yan. So, there you go. Yan. Seoul din, syempre, yung nakalagay. So, if I'm not mistaken, 3 lang talaga per region yung merchandise. So, keychain, ceramic mug, at saka stainless steel tumbler. So, for every region, 3 yung merchandise. So, this is yung kanilang keychain. Yan siya, with Seoul na nakalagay. Pero dito ata, yung sa mismong keychain, parang walang nakalagay na Seoul. Ayoko pa siyang buksan kasi hindi ko pa siya gagamitin. Ayan. Pero it's really very nice. There. Okay, so ayun yung 3 merchandise ko for the regional collection ng Starbucks. Now, I was informed and nakita ko din na naglabas din si Seoul, South Korea, ng kanilang Harry Potter merchandise. So, ni-release nila to, I think, hindi ako sure, basta early January yata. So, yun. Wala na kami sa Korea, but yung colleague ng husband ko ay nandun pa sa office nila sa Seoul. So, nagpa-try kami na magpakisuyo kung merong pang stock. So, makikipabili kami. So, unfortunately, isa na lang yung meron. And this is yung Gryffindor na stainless steel tumbler. Actually, I wanted 4 pieces. Yung Gryffindor na ceramic mug. Tapos itong stainless steel. Tapos yung Slytherin na ceramic mug at saka stainless steel tumbler din. So, 4 pieces. But unfortunately, nung nagpabili kasi kami, parang second week na yon after ng release sa Seoul nitong merchandise na to. So, medyo buti nga nakaabot pa kahit isa. So, very thankful din kami, lalo na dun sa colleague ng husband ko na nakisuyo lang kami talaga na bago siya umuwi. Kasi pauwi na rin siya ng Philippines, tapos na rin yung work doon. So, yun, nakipasuyo kami kung pwedeng yung mga madadaanan niya na Starbucks, paki-check kung meron pa nito. So, yun. Unfortunately, wala na daw yung mga mugs. Ang gaganda talaga ng mga mugs na yun. I-post dito sa screen yung pictures nung mga ceramic mugs na dapat sana kung meron pang stock, napabili ko. But yun nga, wala nang stock. Pati yung isa nito na Slytherin. So, ayun, 2 houses lang kasi na yun yung gusto ko. Yung Slytherin at saka Gryffindor. Yun. So, ito si Gryffindor ay red in color to. Ito yung receipt. So, we paid him, yung colleague ng husband ko, we paid him. We just transferred the funds to his bank account. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Diba? This is 48,000 won. So, ito yung kanyang price. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. At saka ito lang ata yung gold, yung bottom edge niya dito. The rest, silver na yung kanilang edge dito. So, si Gryffindor lang yung gold. Buti na lang din, no? Ito yung nakuha. So, yan. So, Elma to, yung ganitong klase ng stainless steel tumbler ay, ang tawag ay Elma, E-L-M-A. So, eto, may part dito where you can open it ng ganyan. Tapos, eto yung dito ka magsisip. Yan. So, anything na may paganito yung kanyang opening, dun sa sipping part, ay Elma ang tawag. So, ayan. And then, when you open it, the usual na care card ni Starbucks. Yan. So, makikita nyo stainless steel talaga. So, ito ata ay 473 ml. Ayan. So, makikita mo talaga yung kanyang naka-emboss na foil, gold foil. High quality talaga. There. It's really very pretty. How I wish talaga na nakakuha ako ng green or yung Slytherin. I'm trying to look for the green one, kahit yung green lang nito. And medyo overpriced na siya online. So, yung parang 3,800 na yung green nito, yung Slytherin nito. So, feeling ko naman hindi siya practical. And, ayun, kung ganun na kasi ako ngayon sa pagko-collect ng Starbucks merchandise, lalo na yung mga tumblers and cups. Kung ano lang yung meron, kung ano lang yung maabutan ko, hindi ko na siya ipipilit. I have 3 reasons. Number 1, wala na akong space. So, meron akong pinromise sa husband ko na kapag wala na akong space, I have to stop collecting. And kapag talagang gusto kong i-collect yung mga susunod na release, I have to sell kung ano yung ayaw ko na to free up some space dun sa aking storage ng mga collection ko. Number 2, parang this year gusto kong mag-start na gamitin yung ibang part ng aking collection except dun sa mga rhinestones or yung mga limited edition or yung mga nabili ko from other countries. Like, for example, this one, or yung regional collection na yan. So, yung mga to, hindi ko sila pwedeng gamitin or ibenta kasi, yun, wala ka nang makikitang ganyan. Kung meron man, overpriced na. So, gusto ko silang itago. But the rest na alam kong marami pa akong makukuha, yun yung mga gusto kong gamitin. And the others, actually yung iba, ginagawa kong giveaway dito sa aking channel. So, I think 2 times na akong nakapag-giveaway ng tumblers. One is last year, parang middle of 2024. Tapos, yung previous one, yung most recent one, this December, nagpag-giveaway ako ng 2 tumblers. Yun, so, siguro may mga gusto pa ako ditong i-giveaway. So, stay tuned lang kayo guys and make sure na you're subscribed sa aking mga social media accounts para kapag nag-giveaway ulit ako, makaka-join kayo agad. So, yun lang. Alright, thank you so much and thank you very much sa pagsama nyo sa akin sa pag-unbox dito sa mini haul na ito sa mga Starbucks merchandise that I bought from Korea. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!